From JakeTheStockGuy.com. Let's get right into today's daily recap video for the small account challenge. I think we're on day 18, maybe day 19. Let's go ahead. First things first, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I make a new video. I provide a lot of content, a lot of free information, all free, trying to help you guys out, learn how to trade options, carve out your life, become whatever you want to do, become whoever you want to be. That's what we're here about. So I offer a free 14-day trial. You guys know the whole deal, right? If you've been watching me and following me along, go to JakeTheStockGuy.com. Again, that's JakeTheStockGuy.com. Go to options, alerts, signals, scroll down. You can read a little bit about what we offer and then consider joining the membership. It's a free 14-day trial. And like I said, if you're new to the YouTube channel, you might want to consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to get notified when I make new videos. You can see here in the Slack, this is the private Slack group. These were the trades I called out this morning. Twtr, Uber, 211, 4250 call, 2% portfolio, 50. By the way, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is a recommended buy or sell. Invest at your own risk. I'm only sharing with you guys what I'm doing and what I'm familiar with and my just my journey. This is my journey. This is what I'm doing. So I called out Uber and I called out Twtr, and then I said watch out for SPY and the CPI data today. If SPY goes, it will drag the whole market with it. And what do you know? It just happened to go out like that. So let me pull up my brokerage account. I trade with Power E-Trade, guys. For those of you who don't know, let's see here. Let me move this over. Account performance. $932 green today, almost $1,000, not bad. $992 on Uber, and then 50% stop loss on Twtr. It was a small position. This was $1,000, just under about 100% return. This was a $120 position on Twtr. I was really hoping Twtr could run, but we just didn't get it given the state of the market. With the SPY CPI data. I can go into SPY really quick and show you guys exactly what happened. We had a really ugly sell-off, filled the gap, nice retracement with calls back to the previous high. Dip, formed kind of a right shoulder, and then just down the rest of the day. So that was a big FU day for the S&P 500, but I think it was only down about a 0.80, so almost 2% actually. Never mind, it's quite the dip, but yeah, just kind of down, sideways, up, back down. I don't think we're done selling. I think we're gonna chop sideways, and we might head up, we might head down, but yeah, it was a nice short-lived bull run. Anyway, so let's go right into Uber. Well, I mean, guys, I made that. By the way, I'm going to show you where I made the money. By the way, Uber got halted today. It got halted on some news. I forget what, and just the stock took a big dump, took a shit. So this was my trend line that I drew this morning on Uber. It was an earnings winner. Was looking for a pullback to the trend line. I got in calls and I wrote it up to, I think it ended up paying about 150%. The 4250 calls, the strike price, the 4250, it went right in the money. But I had a price target up here for 45 and 4750. Also really I could have just drawn another line right here, because let me zero it out, and that's actually right around where I got out today with 100% returns. Because like, I'm no sucker, this post-market, pre-market price action is very valuable information and data that you can use when drawing lines to resistance and support. So there's is a trend line, and this is like a support resistance line. You could even kind of draw a line like right in here. Let me zero it out for you guys. Just see that? It's all visual. So yeah, when we failed that, when we broke through that, just down, sideways, rest of the day. But there wasn't much to do today, but luckily we were able to get out with about 100%. I got out with 100% return on $1,000 position. Closed it right in here. I wasn't greedy. I knew that it could run to here and be a big winner, but I wasn't going to take the chance given the CPI data and inflation data. Like, this is just a big area of resistance and support. See when see how it popped, it kind of sideways and then kind of went down before the market opened. So I knew that if it goes back up, it's got to have a lot of buying power, a lot of bulls pushing above this resistance level. So pushing up, got into here, and I just got out 100%. I think it paid 140% at one point, and then yeah, just down and sideways. Same thing with Twtr. I think it was another 100% trade off the lows, off the open. You could have rode, these candles up to this. Yeah, so there was a couple of lines here. I know it's kind of confusing. Let me exit that. Yeah, this was a better line right here. This line right here, but I knew also there was some big support right in here. You can just kind of see it here. You can see it here. You can see it all through here. And so, yeah, I got it. You could have gone in here too on the Twtr calls and got, the 37 strike price or 38 strike price, and then rode it up to somewhere in here around this line, or maybe somewhere like right around here, right? This would have been the top. Let me zero it out. Let me just zero it out real quick, and I'll tell you guys why. So if I zoom in, you can see these lows match with this high, and that's right around where it kind of kapooped. Another 150% return trade, bounce play. Didn't get here or here for that matter. It was just not much to do in the market today, guys, sideways and down. Even though it had great news, I think it's just the markets weren't in our favor today, but still, again, nice quick trade. I finished the day with $1,000 profits, and I only took one trade. And I'm gonna show you guys really quick Uber where I got in on the day in the morning. So we're looking at the 10-minute time frame. So that's 10, 20, 30. I was in this trade 15, 20 minutes. I didn't even wait for this third 10-minute candle. I got 10, 20, 20-minute trade, $1,000. I'm done for the day. I'm going to go enjoy my day, enjoy my life, go to the gym, go for a walk in the park, breathe fresh air, do what I love, spend time with my loved ones. And I do all this to sort of help you guys, because I really want you to learn this skill, because it's just like playing the piano or playing the guitar. It's a lifelong skill that you can take with you forever. I mean, the stock market's going to be here 100, 200 years from now. And if you have a skill and you can manage your risk properly, then you can do very well for yourself. Thanks so much, guys, for being a member. If you're in the group, God bless. Be great. And I'll see you next time. Jake the Stock Guy signing off.